So, quick little update. I started doing the Mamba strategy, and I have since found Vito Commerci's channel and been it's a very similar breakout strategy. So, I was following Mamba, and first couple days I had some success. I thought, well, let's go to a live account, and I funded myself $500. Lost like eight 40 bucks the first day, 60 bucks the second day, 100 bucks the third day, 200 bucks the fourth day, 200 bucks. I just kind of spiraled out, and then ended up blowing basically my whole account. And then I added to it, so I don't even know, it brought me 700 bucks. So anyways, I'm back to paper trading. Ironically, as soon as I go back to paper trading, I tried the Vito Commerci on my TraderBait account, and I'm going to do two paper accounts. One is just freestyle, and then the other one is just a breakout strategy. And so I did the Vito Commerci today and got the successful trade. I had a bit of a range. I think I've changed my line since then, but pre-market 925, I broke out to the upside from, I think this was my level originally, and then broke out on the 5-minute, pulled back, went again, and then I took profit somewhere around there. And so I got the first trade, and then so that's where I focused initially, and I got it, and I did not take any more trades, and I'm good. And then from there, I started doing my paper account on my TradingView, just kind of willy-nilly using my indicators and whatnot. And I'm up 222 bucks. As you can see, I took a bunch of trades and everything. So it was kind of frustrating that I had such a crazy spiral down with the real money, and certainly emotions were a factor. But I think also the market was trash. Just even Mamba FX he was making money, but the market wasn't moving the way it normally does. So it's very, very choppy. Still is very choppy. But anyways, so I'm back to the drawing board. I'm going to paper trade like this, at least for a while. And then I actually think I might do the funded accounts. If I could stay consistent with this strategy, then the funded accounts, I think, will be a good way to go to scale up quicker. That's what Vito Commerci was saying. That's what he did, scale up with the funded accounts initially, and then can go to live once you've kind of worked up. So yeah, I did realize that, the ability I was able to lose it's like for the last week and a half is crazy. So I think I need to risk less of my own capital, but also feel what it's like to have something on the line instead of just paper trading, because I feel like paper trading, I've been successful even willy-nilly doing my whatever freestyle strategy, but I think also starting that breakout strategy, I was like oscillating between two logics of how to trade and my risk. And I had actually yesterday I stopped out 200 bucks. I was down 200 bucks, but then price went back to take profit how I would normally take, but it's because I set that limit that I lost it. So anyways, back to the drawing board. I'm gonna see if I could be more productive with my strategy, or if I could be more productive with just the breakout strategy alone. Okay, I guess these are like fees and stuff. But pretty much all day, 26 bucks, 50, 15, 20, 10, 16, 18, 16, 13, 16, 20. So all day long, I've been, and I'm actually up 222 on my paper account compared to, I just traded one contract on the breakout strategy on my TraderBait paper account. So I'm going to see how it goes, see which one wins after a month of paper trading. And I think the real strategy with this, I do feel like the odds are in your favor with this Veto commercial. He does a 1-to-1 breakout. So if this was my zone here, he's looking for that next level, which I think I've already changed my levels from my initial analysis. But he wait for that breakout, hit that target, and then have a 1-to-1. And it only went up today, so it didn't go until it hit that target that it started to wick off of that. So the targets are real, these areas of interest. The breakout is real, and obviously that's the most consistent, highest velocity time of day for the most part. And so I'm going to follow that thread and try to work it a little bit. I do have, I reset it with a $500 account on both accounts. So I'm up 531 on this one, and then I'm actually up I started this one at 531, so I'm up actually a little bit more than this. I'm actually 250, yes, okay, 253.59. So just crazy, 253.59 on this paper account, which it's frustrating because I didn't have a single winning day when I was trading with my real money. So it's like, and this is what I'm used to, making some money. I'm not even like I just think I'll just willy-nilly take a trade here and I'll probably win it. This is my next target up here. See some green aggression, which I like. Oh, where is my buy order? There it is. So I'm already up 35 bucks here. Big wick. I'm up 6 contracts. I don't really want to be in 6. Paper trading view is very slow as well. I don't even know if I took that as a win or a loss. 63 bucks, okay. So, yeah, so it's like that. I could just willy-nilly make cash, but when I tried to with real money, okay, I'm gonna do, even though this is like I feel like a high wick area, I'm gonna wait for that pullback. I'm gonna hop in here. And then I've been using the double down, so my take profit I think I will make up here. We broke some levels that I was trying to break earlier. This was my next level that I had marked out previously. So if it pulls back more, then I will maybe double down and then try to reposition. As you know, like I normally do. I'm trying to limit it though. I haven't actually limited it today. But this is where this breakout strategy, I'm not doing any double down. It's just basically one trade a day, and I'm going to see how that's going to compare to my madness with all these crazy trades and stuff. But I'm up 300 bucks on this. Basically just trading one contract, a couple double downs, but yeah, I don't know. It's like I would probably have my double down here. I could already see, I might even just take profit here. There's something about trading on TradingView that is just, I don't know, I like it better. It's more like a game or something. Like it's just intuitive. You see the stop losses, it's bracket fill orders, but it just makes it a little visually understandable in putting the stop losses and everything. It's like, I don't know, I feel like it's a little more intuitive. So So I think I might let this go today. My 1 hour is probably, my 1 hour reversal has flipped. It is going up. This is kind of like a wiki zone here. We are wicking into this fair value gap again. But yeah, so I think that's pretty much it for today. It's like just how the cookie crumbles, I guess, to use a really outdated expression. Let me see what my see if the live stream is kicking. Nobody in the chat. So I think I'm gonna log off and get to work because nothing else to see here. And this is the start of hopefully something good for me. And I'm gonna keep live streaming. I had my computer out of the shop. That's the other thing. Computer was out of the shop. I tried trading on a different computer, a little different. Everything just felt a little different, a little off. So I'm going to try to recalibrate and start over and do some more reps and try it again on the prop